This video was taken a year ago on our way to Sedona, and I'd like to share with you the Chapel of the Holy Cross. The chapel was commissioned by a local rancher and sculptor, Marguerite Brunswick Stodd. She was inspired by the newly constructed Empire State Building, and that was around 1982. So he decided he wants to build a chapel in Arizona, her hometown, instead of Hungary, in Budapest, Hungary.
So you guys are on the street, stop playing around.
Look, it's blooming.
Yeah. Fruits.
Hmm?
The fruits. I know they're fruits. They're fruits. I know they're fruits. Interesting. Cactuses. They look like giant pumpkins. Just like.
That's so pretty there. See? I don't know what's called those twin thing. Oh, is that Cathedral Rock? I believe that is Red Rock of Sedona we're looking at. All this huge hilltop or mountain or platform, whatever you call this. This is so beautiful. Anyway, the chapel was built on Cocosnino National Forest land, and it took about 18 months to complete at a cost of $800,000, and the chapel was completed in 1956. Wow, pretty. Go further up. Wow. This place is very handicap accessible. You can park down below there and then walk up on this ramp, or with your wheelchair or scooter, looks like, and at the same time enjoying the view. Seems like my video doesn't do justice to this place. It is so beautiful. You have this grandiose feeling about this place. Unbelievable.
They quit serving it noon or something. Well, they used to, but do they? You know, everything's changed now.
Big rock that stands up. This guy, it
Looks like this chapel was built onto the rock, you can tell. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. This is another place you gotta come see. Aside from mass, they also hold weddings here. So if you want to get married, this may be a beautiful place to be. So pretty. I found out that this trolley offered day tours to several places here in Sedona. So I guess you can book your tour and they'll just bring you to wherever you want to be. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Have you been to this place? Is there any other places here in Sedona that I have missed? Let me know what country are you watching my video from. I really appreciate that. Okay, until next time, bye!